this is a really deeply hydrating, nourishing lip balm. Hey Allies, I'm Nicolas Travis, founder of Allies of Skin, and today I'm super excited to be introducing our new launch. It is the Peptide and Ceramide Repair Lip Balm. This lip balm is really special. It's taken me about 3 years to perfect, and I love this so much. I have lip balms everywhere in my bags, and I wanted to create a universal formula that anyone could use, and you could tell this is a really deeply hydrating, nourishing lip balm. The yellow tint you see here is from pure sea buckthorn oil, which is so rich in trace nutrients and essential fatty acids. And then we also added things like avocado oil, vitamin C, vitamin E. We have a peptide, we have ceramide, we have shea butter. This is a super nourishing formula that you can use on dry skin and also when you're using to prep or prime your lips before makeup. Now, I wanted to create a nourishing, hydrating formula that doesn't leave your skin looking too glossy because, you know, we have a lot of male customers and not everybody wants a glossy look. You can swipe once, you can also swipe multiple times, and you will still get really hydrated lips without any of that shine. I really created this formula for everyone. It is in our signature black packaging, so it is very gender neutral, and it's also a really cute size that you can put in your bag, in your pocket, in your jeans, anywhere. So I hope you like it as much as I do, and let me know what you think.